Worried your payment system won't connect with your online store? That's one of the most common concerns for new business owners. Here's a quick way to see why this can be stressful. If you Google popular shopping carts, you will see dozens of platforms: Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. With so many choices, it's natural to wonder if your payment system will even work with the one you pick. Beginners often feel stuck, worried they will need extra plugins or tech help just to get started. That's why Easy Pay Direct is designed with 250 plus integrations. You can connect your merchant account to nearly every major shopping cart, app, or software with ease. On top of that, you also get chargeback mitigation to help protect your business and keep your account safe as you grow. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get unlimited high ticket processing so you can scale sales without worrying about caps or freezes. If you want a payment solution that connects with nearly every platform you will ever need, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a reliable merchant account ready to go. The link's in the description to get started.